We are looking at the exercise questions from the chapter Applications of Trigonometry, right? So here is the second question. A tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30-degree with it. All right, a tree is breaking and it is making an angle of 30-degree with the ground. The distance between foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. All right, this is fine. Find height of the tree. All right, so let us try to represent this situation in the form of a diagram. Let us take this as a tree. Okay, this is the tree what we are having. All right, so let us call this as tree. I mean, this is AB is the tree. Okay, so this is the height of the tree. Now let us assume the tree is getting broken at this point. At this point C, let us assume that tree is broken at this point. So whatever this CB is there on this part, look at this CB part. So whatever this CB part is there, it is going to come down because it is broken means the CB will come down like this, no? Now I will draw the ground point also. Let us take this as the ground. Okay, so here is the ground. So this is the ground part whatever I am having. Okay, let me make it straight here. So this is the ground. All right, so here ground is there. So this whatever CB is there, I mean this CB will come like this, correct? No, so this CB, so here we are going to have this point here. So this point is like B. So whatever this CB is there, here CB is there, no? So it is only going to come down like this, come down like this, and it is going to be B. Don't say that, sir, this CB is very small but this CB is looking big. Don't say that, because this is a conceptual understanding, no? So this CB is going to come down and it is going to make a how much angle? It is going to make an angle of 30-degree with it. I mean, with it means with the ground. All right, so this angle, how much it will be? It will be 30-degree, and the tree is of course it is vertical, so that's why it is 90-degree. And what they're saying, the distance between foot of the tree, this is foot of the tree, this point A is foot of the tree, to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. That means this AB, whatever this AB is there, that is 8 meter. All right, now what they're asking us to find height of the tree. All right, so I mean, height of the tree is known to you. Height of the tree, height of the tree, height of the tree is equal to, what is that? AB. All right, so that is question mark. So this entire thing, so A to B, this entire thing is question mark. This is what they're trying to ask. All right, now look at this. First of all, let us try to find out this AC. Okay, so whatever this A to C is there, let us try to find out this. Now in a triangle ACB, that is right triangle ACB, if we apply tan 30 degree, so tan 30 degree is equal to, tan 30 means what? Tan 30 means opposite divided by adjacent, so that is there. So that is going to be AC divided by AB. So tan 30 means what is the answer? 1 divided by root 3, and AC we don't know, so AC will be there, and divided by AB means how much it will be? It will be 8. All right, then I'm going to get AC is equal to 8 divided by root 3 meter. All right, so this is going to be the AC value. Now I mean, this AC is known now. Now what we want? We want BC. So this BC we cannot find out here. We have to find out in I mean here by using this hypotenuse. All right, so now in this triangle, same triangle, so if I want this BC means I'm going to use this 30 degree, this 8 meter, then this BC, so that is like cos 30. Cos 30 is like adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So what will happen now? Cos 30 degree, cos 30 degree is equal to, it is going to be AB divided by BC, or you can call it as CB also. Cos 30 means it is going to be root 3 divided by 2. Correct? Now cos 30 degree means what? Root 3 divided by 2, because cos 30 means it is equal to sin 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2, like that you can remember, that is one of the trick. And AB is 8 and BC we don't know. So then BC is equal to how much it becomes? I'm going to send BC this side. So BC is equal to, it becomes 8 into 2 divided by root 3, that is equal to 16 divided by root 3 meter. So this is BC. So the value of BC is known to you. So then now height of the tree. Height of the tree. Height of the tree is nothing but AB. Correct? No? Height of the tree is going to be AB. So that is from point A to B. So AB is going to be, it is combination of AC plus CB, correct now? So AC, so whatever this AC is there, along with that we have to take this CB also, AC plus CB. So this CB means this CB only, or BC. So both the answers we have now. So AC is going to be, how much is that? 8 by root 3, plus what is the value of CB? That is going to be 16 divided by root 3. So 8 by root 3 plus 16 by root 3 means it is going to be 24 by root 3. But we cannot keep it like this, because we cannot leave this irrational number in the denominator. I am going to remove that. So that is going to be 24 divided by root 3 into root 3 divided by root 3. Alright, so it becomes 24 root 3 divided by 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 3 ones are 3 eights are. So height of the tree is going to be 8 root 3 meter. So height of the tree is equal to AB is equal to 8 root 3 meter. I mean, instead of this root 3, you can keep it as 1.73 also, and you can carry forward the calculation, 8 into 1.73. Otherwise, you can leave up to here, and definitely will be given with full marks for the this much calculation. I hope you got to understand this problem. The main hint was shifting this CB from this part to this part, then calculating it by using the proper method. Alright, I hope this video was useful. If it was useful, like the video. The target for this liking is at least 100 likes, so that I can make next video. That is the target. Then share this video with your with all your friends, and definitely subscribe to the channel, so that it keeps us motivating to solve the entire exercise of these applications of trigonometry and much more videos in the future. All right, thank you very much. Have a good day, and bye bye.